Hi guys, this is Katrina and I'd like to welcome you back to my channel if you're an old-time subscriber, and I'd like to say welcome if you are new here. And in this video, I'm going to be reviewing two new gels by African Pride. They recently released these two gels exclusively at Dollar General. These gels are super duper affordable and you get so much product in these containers. The two new gels that African Pride newly released is the Moisture Miracle Olive Oil and Tea Tree Oil Nourish and Hold Max Hold Styling Gel. Sheesh, that's a lot. But this gel claims to shape, define, and add shine to natural coils and curls. No flaking, no tackiness, and it's alcohol free. And this is what this one looks like. And I will say, y'all, when I originally smelled this particular one, it reminded me of a margarita. Like, you know, like it smells really, really good. And the color even reminds me of a margarita as well. But it smells really, really good. So the next gel that African Pride released is their Black Castor and Jojoba Oil Protect and Hold Max Hold Styling Gel. The claims are that it will shape, define, and add shine to natural coils and curls. Also, no flaking, no tackiness, and it is also alcohol free. And this is what that one looks like. And this one is a much darker color. This is what that looks like. And this smells like just a clean, simple, fresh smell. Nothing spectacular about it, but it doesn't stink. So I have already applied my leave-in conditioner in the shower, and let me also tell y'all that I did purchase the coconut oil and baobab oil hydrate and strengthen leave-in cream as well. This is what that looks like, and I was going to use this as my leave-in, but when I did the little hand test, y'all, like it did not mix well with either of these gels. But I was a little bit shocked about that because it is from the same Moisture Miracle line, and I just assumed that they would mix well, but they don't. And I will go ahead and show you guys so that you can see for yourselves that these do not mix well. So I am just going to open up the cream here. Get about this much there. Put on the back of my hand. And I'm going to start off with the olive oil and tea tree oil gel first. And I am just going to get it off of the top here. Go in with a little bit here. Let's do it like this. And we are just going to mix it all together. And as you can see, like as I continue to work it in, like it is just clumping, and it is like nope, we are not mixing together, not today. Okay, so that is what that looks like. And so now what I'm going to do is go ahead and on the other hand show you how the leave-in cream mixes with the Black Castor and jojoba oil gel. This one isn't too bad, but it is a little bit, like, I don't know, maybe this one could have passed, but when I tested it the first time, like it clumped up like really, really bad, like this one did. But since I already have a leave-in in my hair, we're just gonna go with that. And if you're interested, the leave-in that I used is the leave-in conditioner by Pattern Beauty. And let me just show you how well it mixed with both gels. So Okay, so this is what it is looking like, and to me that mixed better than the other two, so that's what we're gonna go with. And let's just go ahead and see how these gels apply. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my plastic cap off, and my hair is already split down the middle. I'm going to put the olive oil and tea tree oil gel on this side and the black castor and jojoba oil gel on this side. So let's just go ahead and take this section down. Look how well, y'all, that leave-in just absorbed into my curls. Like, this leave-in conditioner is like one of my top favorite ones. So let's just go ahead and section this off, clip it up, and this is what we're working with. Okay, so let's go ahead and open it up, and I'm going to go in with about this much here. And this gel is a pretty thick consistency, very smooth. I mean, just reminds me of a typical gel. Let's just go ahead and apply it. And it applies it really, really nice. Ooh, look at that, y'all. So like, so far, like really, really good. Like, I do like the way that this gel applies to my hair. Oh wow, do y'all see that? So I'm just gonna go in with just a touch more for this section right here. And y'all, no complaints whatsoever so far. So what I am going to do is continue to apply the gel to the rest of this section, and once I'm done, I'll come back and let you guys see what that side looks like, and then we'll go ahead and apply the other gel to this side. Okay y'all, so I am done applying this olive oil and tea tree oil gel to this side, and y'all, I know you see it, but my hair looks really, really good. So I am just going to go ahead and start on the next side. Alright, so we're gonna go in with this gel. That's what it looks like. And again, you know, this pretty much has like the same consistency. It's pretty on the it's pretty on the thick side. That's what it looks like. So let's go ahead and apply it. And this one goes on like a little bit smoother to me. And this one looks like it's more elongating. I'm just gonna go in with a little bit more. Okay, so this is what that side is looking like. And I don't know, the curls seem to be a little bit more clumped on this side versus this side, where it seems like the curls are like, you know, like individually curled, if that makes any sense. But that is what that's looking like. So like I did for the other side, I'm going to go ahead and apply this gel to the rest of this section. I am done applying the black castor and jojoba oil to this side, and I don't know, like I think they look pretty much the same as far as the wet results go. But y'all, the true test is once my hair has completely dried and my hair has been banded and stretched, and that will let me know what side I like the best. But for right now, if I had to choose a side, I would probably go with this side, the black castor and jojoba oil gel. So that is my prediction. So pause this video real quick and comment down below and let me know your prediction, and we will see at the end of this video what side won. So just stay tuned. Okay, so my hair has completely dried and this is what both sides are looking like. I have a little bit more shrinkage on this side, but as far as the curls go, like they still like pretty much look the same. So what I'm gonna get ready to do is band my hair, put my bonnet on, and of course go nighty night. And then tomorrow I'll come back and let you guys see what my day one results look like. Before I band my hair, I wanted to let you all know what type of cast I have on my hair. For this tea tree and olive oil side, like I don't have like a cast at all. There is like a slight little hardness on a few of the pieces here, but it's not crunchy or anything. And pretty much the same on this side here. There are some areas that have, you know, a little, you know, just a little cast on it, you know, nothing major. So yeah, let me go ahead and start banding my hair. Okay, so I am done separating and fluffing my hair. First off, let's just say how good this wash and go looks. My curls look so good, so good. My hair feels moisturized. My hair has tons of movement. But let's talk about the elephant in the room, which is the flakes that are falling, which was really disappointing. I mean, I hope they do not continue as the day goes by. Just go ahead and, you know, get the flakes out, you know, just shake them out. And we'll see, as I'm doing it there, it's not many that's coming. There are a few still falling, but hopefully, you know, as the days go by, it won't flake anymore. But y'all, I really do love the way my wash and go came out. And if I remember correctly, the aloe and coconut water hydrate and hold curl defining gel I do not think that it flaked on me. I remember that being a really good wash and go as well. I will have that video linked up above and in the description box. So as far as my favorite side in this battle, I would have to go with this side here. It just looks a little bit more uniform and like full, even though this side does too, and it probably just has a lot to do with how I banded my hair. But I still like this side better, and that is what I predicted earlier. But the curls pretty much look the same. So comment down below and let me know what you guys think and what side you liked. Unfortunately, I can't say that I like this side better or that side better because it didn't flake, because as you saw, both sides flaked. So aside from the flaking, let me know what side you guys like best. And also, if you did purchase these gels as well, let me know if they flaked on you. Okay, so it is day 4 of this wash and go, and after me like banding my hair, putting it in pineapples and everything at nighttime, putting my bonnet on, and then taking my hair down the next day and fluffing it out, through all of that, I will say that this side won, as I predicted in the beginning of this video, and that side is actually the black castor and jojoba oil side. If you have not subscribed to my channel already, then please go ahead and do so before you go. I would greatly appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.